morning, dear friend. So I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today we are going to discuss about the LOTO systems. So what are the related the electrical safety? As you know that electrical safety is very important and very extremely hazardous activity whenever you are going to work with the electricity, because of we are using electricity if for the energy, for the resource of electricity power tools when needs to be used. So guys, this is very important for LOTO system. We are talking about the LOTO: log out, tag out and test out. You can add additionals. If you have maintaining the log out, tag out, then you must be check the that called test out, TO, test out. So this is very important because of you know that in our India every year approx 2000 people die due to lack of awareness, lack of systems, lack of LOTO system, and lack of managements. Because of you know that if you are working in a construction sectors and you are working as a safety professionals in any industry, there is very importance of LOTO system. Because if you are maintaining if you are follow the LOTO systems, that may be chance of you are going to save of someone life. Because of this is a very sensitive case and directly silent killer. You can say electricals is a silent killer without any conversations. That will be shock and that maybe persons dead and die due to electricity is short electrocutions. Because of already we have faced that problems in construction sectors, and this is also face many peoples in our India, because of there are lot of problems related to electricity. Because recently I heard one accidents in my village. There are one woman died due to lack of cable management. So this is very important for you, and must be aware about the LOTO system. But there is no any deviations related the LOTO, because of this is a very good system for energy of electricity and protect human and property at your workplace. So LOTO is defined the controls of hazards. You know that what is the LOTO is defined the controls of hazard energy. Because if you are going to someone work in electricity and there are no LOTO systems, so that may be chance of fatality accident. Because this is very serious issue and extremely hazardous work if you are not follow the LOTO. So guys, we hope to everyone follow the LOTO systems. The locking device and lock out tag out device can be device that the ability to secure the energy isolating device in safe operational work. So tag out, what is the tag out? Tag out is a placement tag out device of energy isolating device. So both lock out, tag out, both are log out means you have energized the electricity, and there tag out means you have put the safety signages. There is no work, there is no electricity and work in progress was in single line and diagram. I indicating the single line diagram. So after that you have a tag out, then you must be check the hours test out. If you are going to work with the electricity, must log out, tag out must be follow, and after the test out, whatever you are going to work with electricity, you must be check our LOTO systems is fulfill 100% secure and 100% electricity energized and isolated. So that calls tag out. This is very important for you if you are going to work with the electricity, and everyone must be trained them about the electricity, about the LOTO. So guys, LOTO, in our India, any standard about the LOTO system, specific LOTO, because of there are lot of systems, Electricity Act and IS standards, and also given in Factory Act about the electricity, but there is no defined about the LOTO standards. What is the LOTO standard? So we will discuss when, how and what and why the LOTO systems needs to be improvements. When they developed in 1982, LOTO systems developed in 1982 in become legal in 1989. Means LOTO system developed 1982, and that is legally applied to all area in 1989. Because of that, before or no LOTO systems in our India and entire world, so that times accidents ratio will be very high, because of many people die with the electricity. Now right now people are very safe, because of there are lot of new technology are there, so that we can save the human life. Before or 1982 and 90 past ago, 30-50 years ago, there are many accidents related to electricity. Now India is very good way toward the safety with the electricity. So in still approx 2000 people die due to not follow the electric systems, not follow the LOTO systems. Related the government sectors, related the private sector. So you must be aware about them, because of that electrical safety, whenever the government employee going to work, there are 100% LOTO system must be followed, because of there are also some accidents face, and you heard by someone, and also if you are reading the newspaper, there are there are many accidents happens, and you can see the electricity. So guys, this is that is developed, that LOTO systems developed in 1989 in our India, and that times we are going to follow, but there are no specific standards about the LOTO system. And who is done the LOTO system? OSAS, occupational safety health assessment, already developed the LOTO systems in 1989, and when legally developed. After that, why this is developed? Because of unacceptable rate of workplace injury. Before, whenever there is no LOTO systems and past, before the very high ratio of accidents related to electricity in industry sectors, in government sectors, and also accidents happen in the at home, because of there are no more technology about the electricity. Now right now there are many good technology for save the human lives and save the property related to the electric LCB, residual current circuit breakers, and there are many scope of improvements in construction and any sectors related to the electricity, and all are automatic systems. So LOTO systems, man, why we want to develop, we have developed by the OSA, because of that accident ratio is very high, and many people are die due to electricity. And how imply to provided a worker safety and worker safety form of LOTO, because of how to say, because of imply to protect the worker safety by the LOTO systems, because of if you are going to work related the electricity, then you must be follow the LOTO system, because many people are not aware the LOTO system. You know that if you are going to work with the electricity, then there is no system. Already you have go to man DB panels, you switch off the electricity and going to work with the electric near the power electricals work others area. Some people's not aware about those people who is working about the who is working in this single lines. Some people go and on the switch, they will on the switch, and some people's may be die. That is a main purpose of electricity. One example share with you. Suppose that you are living in room, living at your flat, and if you are going to outside of market, when will be back to your market, there is if you are going to on the fan is not moving because of electricity is not electricity is not. After that you have go to main panels, there are switch is off. Main switch is off because of somebody working with the electricity in your own area, and you are directly going to, there is no putting signage, no any LOTO system, you are going to do the on. You have to on that electricity, but you are not aware about those people are working with electricity. So people are maybe 100% die and 100% go to the face the fatality and accidents happen. So this is problem. So if in case of LOTO system so will be implement and develop, then we can save the human lives. So this is a problem of everyone. So that we needs to be a LOTO systems at your workplace. And LOTO system is very important in all especially constructions and industry sector, because of there are severity of exposure frequency are more. So LOTO in India, we are talking about the LOTO in India. No specific comment about the LOTO. There are many acts are there, BOCW Act, Factory Act, and the Electricity Act, but there are no specific comment of LOTO or in Indian standards. But we have to we have to consider, we have to understood about the Factory Act 1948 section number 22 and subsections numbers 3 say also related the electricity locking device in safe positions to prevent accident working, but not specific about the LOTO. And also Central Electricity Authority regulations 2010 sections number 1 and schedule numbers 2 say the engineer supervisor must be take approvals, work permit need for concerns in operations in charge and electricity supply lines, separate sections isolated from the source, and they can energize the earth. So also I has standard 52 and 176 and 1982 reformat in 2005 recommendation of safety procedures and practice electricity permit to work, and sections number 4 also message of registers they are maintained. So guys, this is very importance for related the safety. Related the safety, if you are going to work with the electricity, the controls measure unable to maintenance to work to must be must be conducted. Suppose that if you are going to work, how to safety precautions, how to systems we can develop. If you are going to work with the electricity, major activity doing some single main lines, you are going to maintenance work, then you must be written communications by the mail. Tomorrow we have planned to shut down the all electric energized, and if you have any work today must be finished, because of that tomorrow is maintenance work is ongoing on. This is our also we are doing same, And after that, written safe system work method statements, work, you know that work method statements, risk assessments, and SOP, and also qualified safety, qualified electricians must be deployment mm, as per the electricity law. And use of physicals means the isolating locking in corporate minimum. If you are going to work with the electricity, minimum two competent persons must be there. No allow work alone at the workplace. And prevented authorized access must be clear. Emergency situation, if in case of emergency you must be handle how to handle, so there are must be plans about the electricity. Answer, the competent persons also working with the electricity. No any unauthorized persons should be allowed with the electricity work. And ensure that availability updated PPE is as per standards. If you are standard, what is the standards of PPE? If you are going to work a CFRA 1910 and 1910, then you can on C sections numbers 20 19 also are there. Lot of standards related the electricity PPE. PPE is very mandatory, like the hand gloves, safety shoe, how types of safety shoe, who is isolated with the electricity. And consider the need to be treatments workers and preventive. If you in case of any first aid cases and in case of anything happens, then you must be available first aid system, first aiders, all those things are required. So guys, if you are going to work with the electricity, then must be apply the LOTO system. Don't uh, don't forget at your LOTO systems at workplace. This is very important topic, and there are many scope of improvements related to the LOTO system. If you have no LOTO systems, if you are there as not applicable, so then you can take the practicals and lock the generals lock, and there are put safety signage, and one staff must be watch till the your work will not finished. So LOTO is very important. So how to, there are many types of LOTO kit. If you have purchased the LOTO kit, 3 4 5 LOTO kit must be have in your workplace for safety purpose. And all work or electricians and electrical persons, those people involved into the work, so all peoples are must be aware about the LOTO system and electric safety. It must be awareness safety program must be conducted before you start the work, because of this is a very sensitive case and very extremely hazardous activity at workplace. So guys, I hope to everyone's take safety precautions during the your workplace. Thanks for watching video.